Alright, it's time for another video. This time it is a load of Quickset Flowable fill, sometimes referred to as just flow fill, flowable fill, Quickset. But really what it is just a quick backfill for a hole that's made under a roadway. So let's say a utility company has to cut up a chunk of the road to fix an underground water main or a sewer main, or even like data cables that might run into the road somewhere. You would use it to refill in the hole or the void, allowing quickly, and it sets up and hardens quickly so that the utility company could then go back the same day and put a cold patch over the top of it and be fine. In this case, I was sent out to bring a load of flowable fill or Quickset Flowable fill to the water commission of the particular town that I'm in. So let's go. So this area that I'm approaching has undergone a lot of construction over the course of this past year, and on top of this repair job or change to the water valve there, we've been coming down here and working with the company doing the sidewalks and a lot of the road work here, as this is a very different view of this intersection than the year prior to what you're looking at.
Want me to start anywhere particular? Want me to start anywhere particular in there, or just fill it up?
Just fill it up, probably towards the back there.
Alright.
To the bottom of the asphalt.
Alright.
So there's nothing in particular about pouring flowable fill aside from spit it out as quickly as possible for the most part. In this case, I started up for probably a good 15, 20, 30 revolutions, something like that, just to get it consolidated or mixed up well for them, because it can separate if you let it sit in your drum. But they just wanted me to fill the hole, preferably right to the bottom of the tar. Luckily for them, they had just enough to fill most of the hole, so they just sort of spread it around, and they were going to bring in some cold patch type material right after me at some point and cover up the Quickset Flowable fill. But that one was, in fact, that easy. Just have to wash out real quick, and then head back and get another one. As before, I'll leave you with a quick tour of the lovely city of Springfield, Massachusetts. But that's that. Time for another load.